Everyone, it's Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne. This is a beautiful space in the Dandenong Ranges that we're working on. We're working on an exterior wash here, as well as doing the gutters, as well as doing the downpipes, checking those, as well as cleaning the plastic roof. Have a look at the amount of mold we've got growing on these boards. The boards and the sheeting, as you can see, the gutter up there is absolutely filthy. Look at that. Okay, so as we can see here, it's quite delicate as well in nature in terms of paint. So there's that. I'm going to walk you through this property because it's so we've got plastic roofing here, and we've got plastic roofing straight underneath here. So all of this is just basically not allowing any light through. So we're going to be washing all underneath this plastic roof as well, because the nature of roofs is that it holds moisture on the underside, so we need to do both sides. In this instance, that has been included. Normally we would only wash the top. We're washing all of the exterior. Now I'm going to show you the roof. So I know, I had the same reaction when I saw it. There we go. So first things first, we'll need to clear all the debris out off the roof. And bit of a tricky job, this one, because it's going to be very slippery. We'll be pruning back those trees as well, just to keep them off the roof as best we can. And then we'll be doing all the gutters, so cleaning all the gutters, checking all the downpipes so that we know that they are clear and that water can flow. Completing the whole house wash, as well as the external windows, and obviously cleaning up this plastic roof. We'll also be pruning the, hopefully if we can get there, the cabbage tree here. So we'll see if we can just cut that back a bit. So everyone, look at this. Look at this. It's freshened up immensely. So have a look at the gutter. It's all cleaned up. I don't know if you remember, there was masses of mold on this edge. I'm going to show you this section of the property as well. In fact, we wander around the back here. So it's just huge amounts of mold along the chimney, everything. So it's a full treatment. We've just finished with an external window clean here. So I don't know if you remember the boards along here, they were absolutely filthy. And there's just so much mold. All this external guttering's been cleaned up, as you can see. So yeah, it's had a really good freshen up. I'm going to show you the gutters. So look at that roof, that's come up beautiful, eh? Yeah. So it was quite a tricky roof because it's so slippery. When the debris sits on there like that just creates a lot of moisture and holds a lot of moisture, and it was but we got there. All the gutters have been cleaned, all the downpipes have been checked and flushed, and then this is the plastic roof. Have a look at this. Let's see how good this has come up. So this is a carport space. So she was hardly able to even see through this. There's hardly any light coming through. Now, with the amount of light coming through the space here, that's actually reflecting straight onto this area of the property, which will allow her to have more light in these rooms. So I hope that's helpful. We've just washed all underneath here as well. Again, finished with an external window clean. So if you've got a house that you need to freshen up, get ready for sale, or even just a maintenance clean, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you.